In a world where photography is ever evolving, Fujifilm has once again stepped up to redefine the boundaries of what's possible. Introducing the Fujifilm X-T6, the latest addition to their renowned X series lineup. Get ready to explore a new dimension of image quality, speed, and creativity with the Fujifilm X-T6. Let's start with the unboxing. The Fujifilm X-T6 comes with everything you need to get started right away. The sleek design of the camera body is both modern and nostalgic, paying homage to Fujifilm's legacy while paving the way for future innovations. The X-T6 feels solid in hand, with an intuitive layout of controls that ensures every essential function is at your fingertips. The tactile dials and buttons are designed for photographers who crave manual control, allowing for an immersive shooting experience. At the heart of the Fujifilm X-T6 is its groundbreaking 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor. This sensor delivers stunning image quality with incredible detail, sharpness, and dynamic range, making it perfect for everything from landscapes to portraits to street photography. Compared to its predecessor, the X-T5, the X-T6 offers a substantial upgrade in both image resolution and color reproduction, thanks to Fujifilm's enhanced color science and processor technology. But it's not just about image quality. The X-T6 is built for speed, featuring an advanced autofocus system that locks onto subjects with precision and speed. With up to 20 frames per second continuous shooting in burst mode, capturing fast-moving subjects has never been easier. Whether you're photographing a fast-paced sports game or a spontaneous moment on the street, the X-T6 ensures you never miss a shot. And for videographers, the X-T6 offers an impressive array of video features. Shoot stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, with options for 10-bit color depth for those who demand the highest quality. The X-T6 also includes F-Log recording, providing a flat color profile that gives you more flexibility in post-production. With these advanced video capabilities, the X-T6 isn't just a camera, it's a full-fledged filmmaking tool. Equipped with 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS, the X-T6 compensates for camera shake, allowing you to shoot handheld in challenging low-light conditions. The IBIS works seamlessly with Fujifilm's extensive lineup of X-mount lenses, delivering sharp and stable images even at slow shutter speeds. This makes the X-T6 a perfect companion for night photography or any situation where light is limited. The X-T6 also features enhanced connectivity options, making it easier than ever to transfer images to your devices. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can quickly share your photos and videos or use your smartphone as a remote control. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, the X-T6 ensures that your creativity is never limited by your tools. The Fujifilm X-T6 is more than just a camera. It's an invitation to explore, create, and push the limits of your photography and videography skills. With its blend of advanced technology, intuitive design, and timeless style, the X-T6 is set to become a favorite among photographers and videographers alike. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your photography journey, the Fujifilm X-T6 has something for you. Get ready to capture the world in ways you've never imagined. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and photography tips. Until next time, keep exploring and capturing those moments that matter.